Let's talk about AI agents and why everyone is so obsessed with them right now. Remember when AI was basically just like that really smart friend who could answer any question? You'd ask ChatGPT something, get your answer, and then it just sat there. That was it. Game over. It couldn't remember what you talked about 5 minutes ago, couldn't do anything with the information, and it definitely could not go out in the world and actually do stuff for you. Well, that's all changing and it's happening really fast. Two major things happened almost simultaneously. First, companies started building AI programs from scratch, and they were designed to be digital workers, not just chat partners. And second, the tools we already know and love, like ChatGPT and Notion, even Microsoft Word, they suddenly got these new superpowers. So right now we're kind of living in this Wild West moment where some AI tools are pure agents, and I'll explain what that means in a second. And some are your familiar apps with these exciting new tricks. And honestly, the lines are getting so blurry that even tech companies can't always tell you which category their product fits into. Let's talk about what the real difference is between a chatbot and an agent. Think of it this way: a chatbot is like having a conversation with a really knowledgeable librarian. You ask it a question and they give you a great answer, and then they'll wait for your next question. It's all about that back and forth. But an agent is more like hiring a personal assistant who actually gets stuff done. You don't give it a question, you give it a goal. And then it figures out how to make that goal happen step by step. Here's where it gets interesting: agents can break out of the conversation bubble. They'll search the web and run computer code, read through your files, or even connect to other apps and services that we call APIs. Think of those as digital bridges that let software talk to different software. Let's say you tell an agent, research my top 5 competitors and write a summary report. A chatbot would say, I can't browse the web, but here's what I know about competitor research. An agent, it rolls up its sleeve and gets to work. It searches for companies in your industry, visits their website, compares pricing and features, and writes up a proper report, and even double checks its own work for missing pieces, all while you go grab a coffee. The thing is, it gets even cooler. Some systems now use multiple AI agents all working together like a digital dream team. Picture this: one manager AI coordinates everything, while specialist agent AI handle different parts of the job. So a researcher AI gathers information, the writer AI crafts the content, the coder AI handles any of the technical stuff, and then the manager keeps everyone on track and puts the final result together. It's not science fiction. This is happening in real products right now. You might be thinking, well, that's awesome, but why didn't we have this 5 years ago? Great question. Three big things had to fall into place. The AI got smart enough. For an agent to work, its plans have to succeed most of the time. For years, AI would start strong, but then go completely off the rails by step three. But recent breakthroughs in how AI models think through complex multi step problems changed everything. Second, the digital world became agent friendly. Companies started to build software with agents in mind, creating easy ways for AI to connect with websites, apps, and databases. It's like the internet finally learned to speak the AI's language. And finally, the business case became impossible to ignore. Here's the thing: a chatbot can handle one conversation at a time, but an agent can handle an entire workflow from the moment a customer submits a request to the moment their problem is completely solved. And it will do it all without a single human having to step in. And that's not some far off prediction. Companies are using AI agents in their actual businesses today, handling real customers and real problems. We're at this fascinating moment where AI is evolving from really good at answering questions to actually capable of getting things done. And the pace of the change, it's only accelerating. The question isn't whether AI agents will become a part of how we work and live. They already are. The question is, what will you do with the digital assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can juggle dozens of complex tasks at once? It's a pretty exciting question to be asking.